Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As you know, Windows bash file used for many different purposes like task automation. Today I'll show you how you can create your Windows bash file running Selenium TestNG class. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to do that. Hello viewer, now I am at computer screen. As part of today's tutorial, I set it up topics this way. So Selenium TestNG class run from Windows bash file. So first we need to take the library folder path for the TestNG class, then bin folder path, then we will create a bash file. Thereafter we will write our command in bash file, then we will run bash file. So here is the command java cp, then bin path, library folder path, then command is org.testng, then testng XML file location. In order to do that, first we need to see where our project is located. This is our TestNG project. This is our class. It works as expected. In my previous tutorial, I showed you how to create TestNG class and run from TestNG XML. So if you need it, you can watch that video. I'll put that link in the description box. Select the project folder, right click, then go show in System Explorer. This is your project location. So basically we need this bin and library folder path. And let me minimize the Eclipse, and I have another folder location open. We will create a bash file over here. So in order to create a bash file, right click the location you want to create, then click new, then click text document. Let's say name is TestNG bash. Then you need to delete .txt extension. You need to put .bat. That will convert text file to Windows bash file. This is the extension BAT. So it is asking, are you sure you want to change it extension? Click yes. You see this is bash file. The file icon is also changed. Let me make it bigger, large icon. You see the testng.bash. So now we need to write our command in bash file. So right click in the bash file, edit with notepad++. We need to write our command over here. So first thing, cd, we need to navigate that location where our testng file is. That location is testng. This is our location. We need to navigate that point. Copy, cd there. That's it. Then we need to write our command. Command is java -cp. Then we need bin folder path. Let me take a look where is our bin folder. It is the location bin folder and library folder. So copy that location, copy. Then first command is then /bin. Then you need to put semicolon. Then same location /library folder. After writing lib, then you need to put another backslash, then put asterisk sign. That means whatever jar in this library folder, we are taking all of those. Then a space org dot testng dot testng. Then you need to write testng.xml file. testng.xml. That's all for command. Sometimes the second line command, you can write two command, like first set java class path, then you need the run command. Once it is complete, then save it. It's a simple bash file creation, then run, navigate that location, then you need to run command. So close it. Now if you see your bash file over here, so you just need double click, it will run automatically. So double click on the bash file, you see it is running. Windows command prompt open, you see browser open, it will navigate to google.com, maximize the browser, and it will close. You see in the command prompt, application launched successfully. That's all for today's tutorial. How to run TestNG class from Windows Bash file. I believe those who are new in Windows Bash file creation as well as running software automation testing using Windows Bash file, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.